All right, so where we are now is we're deleting the rubrics. That's the last thing I stopped on before we got knocked out. Deleting the rubrics. So we're going to click on the rubric, and then we're going to hit delete. Don't delete the slides. Please don't delete the slides. All right, so we're going to click delete the rubric. So we're going to go to the rubric under each one, and we're going to hit delete. That's delete slide, and that's going to delete the rubric. And so we have a total of 2 through 6 of projects. So we delete the rubric from each one of those. So now in your presentation, you should have your title slide, home security system, your introduction, modules 2 through 6. Then we go to challenges and lessons learned. So whatever your challenges have been throughout the session, or however you overcome those challenges, and what lessons did you learn, you're going to type that here. Career skills, any career skills that you obtained while doing your project. Some may say critical thinking, some may say problem solving, some may say understanding an IoT and understanding how to include a buzzer, or how to include a photo sensor to in a resistor to a circuit. You list all of that here in your career skills. Then in your conclusion, any closing remarks that you would like to use, you put that there. After that, there's references. All right, not everybody will have references. If you don't have any references, you can just delete that slide. If you have references, meaning that you have used something on Google or something, some documents or anything, that's what you're going to put there. So all of these slides should not have these red things in here or the questions. All right, this is how it should look. It should have text in here, but it should not be the text that we've included. That should be deleted. All right, any questions there? I'm going to pause here for a second. Any questions on adding your slides to the PowerPoint? Any questions? We got thumbs up? Can we annotate the answers? What should the title be? Your title could be Home Security System. That's what you built. Yes, Jawan. No questions there? All right. Any one of our professors are on a PC that can pull up PowerPoint for me real quick? Well, I'll just drop that in there from the previous one I did. Okay, I'll drop that in there later. All right, next thing. So we're gonna save this. File save as. I'm gonna save as mine, and then I'm gonna change it from template to my name. All right, save it. All right, once it's saved, you're gonna upload it in module number 8. Module number 8 is where you're gonna do the upload for this project. So that's gonna go not in module number 7. Module number 7 is where we got our instructions. So module number 7 gives us our instructions, and I even talk about it. All right. And then in module number 8 is where you are going to submit final course project. So once you get to module number 8, and it's the final course project, you're going to submit this just like you did your other projects. Here is your rubric. Your rubric tells you everything that you need to submit, or everything that needs to be included. And then the last thing that you're going to do, I'm going to go back to the instructions. for my deliverable that we just had. I'm going to go back to that. Let's open that back. All right, the last thing it tells us is we're going to work on Wix, okay? So you're going to create a Wix account. So let's go and let's create our Wix account. I'm going to walk you through that. So when you get to Wix, you're going to go to wix.com and you're going to click Get Started. The purpose of Wix is for you to create your portfolio. This is going to be the start of your portfolio. There's no specifics. There is no specific way that we want the Wix to look, other than we want to make sure that you include your project, and then this is the start of what you're going to use for your portfolio for other courses. So if you, when you get to your other courses and they're asking you to add to your portfolio, this is what you'll be adding to, okay? So here, you're going to start with your email address. All right, I'm going to go with all right, so put in your email address, put in your password, confirm your password. Yes, you use your school email address because this, or use your personal email address. But this is something that you're going to use throughout your matriculation here at DeVry. So you could use your school email address. You're going to click sign up and tell them you're not a robot. I got to go and pick these stairs. This is the fun part of setting up accounts. And there we go. I did not do it all right. And I'm going to hit sign up. And I already have an account. Yep, I knew that. Make sure, yep, and I'm probably not going to know the password. And it's the life right now. All right, so if you forget your password, guess what? You can do a password reset. All right, and let's hit send and done. And let's go back and let me get this password to reset real quick. And here we go. Maybe, maybe not. There it goes. All right, 1 second, and I'm almost there. All right. I am not a robot. One more time, bus. And oh, I missed one of the bus though. All right, when you set up your account, it is going to ask you to confirm your password, confirm your email address. And once you confirm your email address, then you will be able to log into your account. But I'm going to go back one step. Once you start to set up your account, you're going to see something that asks you if you want to use the AI to set up your site. No, you don't have to use AI to set up your site. You're going to see two things. You can see this dashboard where it's the edit your site, and then you can also see home where it's also a edit your site button. You don't want to upgrade because you don't want to pay for anything. We just want to create a site. So you're going to create your site. So do not, all right, do not actually purchase anything. So I'm going to create a new site so you can see what you're going to see once you set up your site. When you set up your site, you're going to come here, and I'm going to set up without chat, and I'm going to do a portfolio, and I'm just going to do a regular portfolio and hit continue. All right, I'm going to give it a name, which is going to be my name. All right. And once you do that, you can hit continue, and you're going to showcase your creative work, which is your schoolwork. Hit continue. I'm not going to check any of these, and I'll hit finish. All right. It's going to prepare my dashboard. It's going to give me certain apps, and it's going to personalize this dashboard for me. Once it loads my dashboard, you're going to see design site, and then it tells you to connect a custom domain, but we don't want to do that because we're not making any purchases. Hit design site, and when you get to the design site, you're just going to pick a template. And when we pick a template, remember I told you it's going to be a portfolio, so you can pick any one of these templates that you like, that you believe fit you. But the one that I usually pick a lot of times is this school project. But you can pick any of these templates to use for your portfolio. You don't have to use the specific one that I use. And I'm just scrolling here so you can see the different portfolios templates that are available. I'm going to go back to one, and I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to continue to click the school project, and you're going to hit edit. Once you hit edit, that's going to allow you to start editing your Wix project. Now, so it's preparing my layout. Give it a second. The layout will be completed. All right. So you can use the generate your text. I'm just going to split a portfolio. And then I'm going to close this. All right. So now I'm here. Once you get here, this right here shows you the different things that are available for your project. Adding elements, adding a section, adding pages, site design, add apps, my business, media. Media is going to be the one that we want to use. All right, so I'm going to stick with this page right here, and I'm just going to use the same page, and I'm going to do a quick edit. For this quick edit, once you click the quick edit button, it gives you a right panel. For the right panel is where you can change the text that of this paragraph, change the title. If I don't want to do a quick edit and I close the quick edit button box, if I click in the text, once I click in the text, I can hit edit text, and it allows me to edit the text there. I'm going to put edit text here, and I'm going to say my portfolio. And then here you can use your AI to generate your text. If you come in AI and say add a portfolio summary for me as a tech student, and hit generate. There it goes. And there's a summary. Hit use this text. And now AI has helped me generate my text for my front page. I'm not going to use this button. I'm going to delete that button. And then now what I want to do is I want to add my project file. So to add my project file, let me go back so you can see exactly what I'm doing. I go to media. Remember I told you media is what you're going to use. So I'm going to click on media, and then I'm going to click upload media. When I click upload media, I'm working just like I'm uploading an email or uploading our project to our module submission. If I hit upload, downloads is where I save my project, and I'm going to hit my project name, and I'm going to hit open. Once I hit open, it's going to upload it just like you're uploading to attachment to email or uploading your submission. And then I'm going to hit add to page. Now it adds that document to the page. It put it in the center of the page, but I don't want it in the center of the page. I want it down here at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is click on it and drag it to the bottom, just like you would click in Tinkercad and drag the different items around in Tinkercad. It's the same thing how you would drag and add this file here. So I add that file there, and I don't have to add anything else to my Wix at this point. All I want now is my file link and my description. I can change the text, the title to portfolio. And so then the last thing you have to do before sending us the link, you have to hit publish. Once you hit publish, you're going to see that there's a link here, but you're going to have to click view site, and it's going to give you the view site, and it's going to give you a link. You can copy that link, and that's the link that you're going to submit in the comment section of your submission. You're going to do that in the comment section of your submission. So once you get to making your submission, I don't think I can see it right now. Nope, because I hadn't done that one. Once you get to the comment section of your submission, you're going to paste that link. Let me go to module number 2. I think I can see the submission. Yes. So I'm in module number 2, but you're submitting in module number 8. Remember, you're submitting in module number 8. So you're going to hit start assignment, and down in that comment section, you're going to paste it as a comment. And then you're going to upload. I'm going to choose my file. You're going to upload your final project, and you're going to submit your link as a comment, and you're going to hit submit assignment. So you should have your upload, and the upload, you should have it as a comment in module number 8. And if you go from this page, which is your link page, you hit done here. You hit cancel for mobile. If you hit the X here where it says connect domain, you're going to see the link again that you need to send to us. But you can always still say view site under publish. After you publish it, you can hit view site, and you're going to see that link that you can copy, and that's the link you're going to submit. So now before you submit this project as well, make sure you delete slide number 30, because that slide you no longer need, and then you upload your project and the links in the comment. Right, Wix has surely updated a lot over the years. So some of the editing in the instruction documents, some of the things have changed in that instruction document under the module, but we've tried to keep it as updated as possible. All right, are there any questions?
Professor, I have my project. I have PowerPoint ready in Microsoft if you want to show that.
Yes, definitely, Professor Dixon. I'm going to stop share, and I'm going to let you share. Can I? Where are you? Okay, there we go. All right, temporary instructor. There we go. You should jump up to the top and should be able to share. There we go. If you don't have any questions and you understand and you are good and you have a Mac, you are free to leave for tonight. Professor Dixon is about to assist with showing the PowerPoint on a PC as well, so we can ensure that we have the instructions on both versions of computers. Okay, you should be able to share now, Professor Dixon. You're welcome, Jamel. You are all welcome. And we do have class on next session just for question and answer. If you all need answers to working on your project, we will be here to answer questions as well. I don't see your screen yet, Professor Dixon. It's yes, now we see it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it was the machine was freezing up on me there. Sorry.
Hey, things happen.
You know how it is when you got to do a demo.
Yeah, it happens. Dejawan, final project. Your final work is the final project I just went through. That's your final work. It's just a submission. There's no test. All right, go ahead, Professor Dixon.
Yes, sure. If I go here to insert. Okay, come on now. And then, whoops, insert, I'm sorry. Then new slide. Come down here to where it says reuse slides. And you'll see on the left-hand side, whoops,
Yeah,
do that again.
it closed on us.
Yeah, well, that's because it was open, I think. So let's go back down to reuse slides. Over here, you'll see a list of slides. So now I can browse for wherever I happen to be, wherever my slides happen to be. So let's just pick, I'm going to pick number 5, just to pick one that's at the top of the list. And now I'm going to go ahead and just open that. Okay, of course you can't open that file. Let's see. Let's try that again. I just did this a minute ago. Let's try 3. All right. So you see here on the right-hand side now are those files. And let's say I want to insert them after the introduction. Say I want to insert them right here. I just go in the middle and click that, get that little red line. And then all I have to do is just click these. And they're inserted. Now, if I really didn't need that rubric, so I could have actually skipped over the rubric and I wouldn't have to go back and erase it later. That's how easy it is.
That's it. So it's still the insert reuse slide, but it's now open to the right-hand side where you can just click on the slides and insert them into the place that you would like to insert them. So you do have to do it for each module, just like I did the uploads for each modules on the Mac. And that's all to it.
That's right. The other option you would have would be to open it like this, and then click on the first one, use your shift key, hold all the way down to the bottom. You see how they're all highlighted now. Then just do a right mouse click and copy, and then go back to your original location, and then just do the insert wherever you wanted them, and then just do a paste, and boom, they're in there too. So you have 2 options.
2 options. Yep. Thank you so much, Professor Dixon.
That's fine. I'll turn it back over to you.
Thanks so much. All right. Do we have any questions? I see good. We have good nights. We have thank you. You all are welcome. Remember that your homework huddle is available as well for the week. If you have any problems on any of your other projects that you need assistance with, we're definitely here to help you fix those projects before you submit them in the final project as well. All right. So I'm going to stop the recording here and I'll sit around see if we have any questions. But if you don't have any questions, you are free to go for tonight. And we hope that you have a good rest of the week. And for those in Florida, I hope you all are being safe. And if you need anything, definitely reach out to your professor or me or Professor Congress as well. Yeah, have a good night.